You're running a WooCommerce store with hundreds of products. Every time you add new images or need to update alt text for SEO, you're stuck toggling back and forth between WordPress and Google Sheets. It's slow, it's tedious, and your SEO suffers. Meet FlexStock's new image sync features. Now you can manage all your product images, including alt text and gallery photos, directly from your Google Sheet. First, go to your FlexStock settings in WordPress. Toggle on Display Product Images and Featured Image. Then click Save and Sync. That's it. Now head to your Google Sheet. You'll see the new Featured Image column. Just add each product image. And it will automatically sync with your WooCommerce product page. Next, go back to your FlexStock settings in WordPress. Toggle on Image Alt Text under the Display Product Images section. Then click Save and Sync. Now head back to your Google Sheet. You'll see the new Image Alt column. Just type in clear, descriptive alt text for each product image. Think about what your customers and search engines need to know. Save your sheet, and boom! FlexStock instantly syncs that alt text to your WordPress media library. Your images are now better for accessibility and SEO, all from one place. But there's more. The new Gallery Image Sync feature lets you manage all your product gallery photos directly from the same sheet. Choose how many gallery images you want to manage per product. 1 column? 10? You decide. FlexStock creates the right number of columns and syncs only the images you've configured. Next, add your product gallery images to the sheet. After that, head back to your WooCommerce product page and you will see your product gallery images are synced with your Google Sheet. Stop wasting time on manual image updates. Download FlexStock Ultimate today and start managing your product images smartly.